Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today my video is about dark chocolate benefits. There is nobody in the world that hates eating chocolate. Everyone love to eat chocolate, from children to adult. Well, let's have a look. What are the benefits of dark chocolate? Dark chocolate could not only be good for our heart, but it also improve our brain function work well. Scientific studies have shown that dark chocolate, not milk chocolate, is rich in antioxidants and loaded with full of nutrients as a superfood. Dark chocolate contains phytonutrients called flavonoids that act as antioxidants, may play a role preventing cancer. Cocoa is packed with numerous antioxidants, but if you go for the darker side, you get more benefits. Study shows that lower percentage of cocoa have more added sugar and unhealthy fats. It's very sad, but we love chocolate. Even choosing quality dark chocolate is better than milk chocolate. Okay, now let's look what this treat offers. Dark chocolate may help to prevent heart disease and also lower the risk of stroke. May improve our mental health and prevent memory loss and also boost our mood. Improve blood sugar levels. Powerful antioxidant than other foods. Good for weight loss. Good for our gut. It's good for our skin. Dark chocolate may stimulate good cholesterol up, bad cholesterol down. A study shows that 100 grams of dark chocolate contains 70 to 85% of cocoa, with fiber, iron, potassium, phosphorus, manganese, magnesium, zinc, and selenium. Quality dark chocolate is rich in fiber. Flavonoids from cocoa improve our blood flow to the skin and protect from sun damage. I have here 70% and 90% cocoa contained dark chocolates, but I love this one. The 90% contained chocolate is a much better taste. The daily recommended allowance is 30 grams of dark chocolate. To avoid weight gain, no more than 30 grams per day. For an antioxidant boost, break a square of dark chocolate, fill it up.
Run.
I hope you love this video and I'll see you next time. Bye. Dark chocolate to boost myself. That's better.